Greetings! So, an announcement. Before I make an announcement, we are phasing out of our Facebook group because it's very inactive and nobody's really talking on there because nobody can see the notifications because Facebook is not posting notifications. So, alternatively, I have started a Discord channel to chat about beading and life things and other crafts and such. And it's a very wholesome group that really looks out for each other, and it's just a wonderful, warm, fuzzy feeling that we can all enjoy, especially during these times when social interaction is very rare these days. So, if you would like to join our Discord group, there is a link in the description box below. It's the very first link that says Join Discord. And if you are hesitant to join new technology, that's totally understandable. The link will show you how to make an account, and when you finally join, there is a section that says how to use Discord. I've created a small tutorial on how to interact with that, so feel free to check that out. And now for our regularly scheduled content. And now it is for the final chapter of the Glorious Harvest Pumpkin Saga. First, we learned these earrings to learn techniques for the future. Then, we learned how to make this sparkly pumpkin bezel, and now we are going to learn to tie it all together with this lovely, adorable pumpkin chain. I'm showing you this in October, so hopefully by the end of it, you will have the techniques to create this spooky piece to have on your Halloween season and celebrations. So if you would like to create this lovely piece as well as the previous ones from the previous months, come and join me on Patreon for $1 a month, patreon.com/odins.musings. It's a great way to support my art and help me make more tutorials for you, and it helps because I don't have to pay extraneous fees from other websites that really don't care about artists. So, throw in shade. Alright. This is the end of the saga, and I hope to see you there.